Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started!
A grinding noise from your microwave is certainly alarming, but often it points to a few common, and often fixable, mechanical issues rather than a complete breakdown. Before we dive into any troubleshooting, your absolute first step is to unplug the microwave from the wall outlet. This is critical for your safety, as microwaves contain high-voltage components that can store a lethal charge even when unplugged. Do not skip this step. Once safely unplugged, we can begin our inspection. The most frequent culprit for a grinding noise is something related to the turntable assembly. Start by opening the microwave door and removing the glass turntable plate. Inspect underneath the plate for any food debris, crumbs, or foreign objects that might be caught in the roller guide or the center coupler. Sometimes, a simple piece of popcorn kernel or a stray food particle can create an irritating grinding sound as the turntable tries to rotate. Clean out any visible debris thoroughly. Next, examine the roller guide ring. This is the plastic ring with wheels that supports the turntable plate. Check for any cracks, broken wheels, or misalignment. A damaged or improperly seated roller guide can cause the plate to wobble and grind. If it's broken, a replacement part is usually inexpensive and easy to install. After checking the roller guide, focus on the turntable coupler, which is the small plastic piece in the center that engages with the motor shaft and the turntable plate. These couplers, often made of plastic, can wear down, crack, or become stripped over time. If the coupler is damaged, it won't properly engage with the motor shaft or the turntable, leading to a grinding noise as the motor spins without smoothly turning the plate. Visually inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If it looks worn, replacing it is a straightforward fix. You can usually find generic replacements online or through appliance parts stores. If the coupler appears fine, try gently spinning the motor shaft by hand, the part the coupler attaches to. It should turn smoothly with a slight resistance. If it feels rough, stiff, or makes noise when you turn it, the turntable motor itself might be failing. While replacing a turntable motor is a bit more involved, it's still a common DIY repair. Another potential source of grinding, especially if it's more of a whirring grind, could be the cooling fan or the magnetron fan. These fans are typically located at the back or side of the microwave, behind the control panel or outer casing. Do not remove the outer casing unless you are experienced and understand the high-voltage risks, even when unplugged. However, sometimes you can hear the fan if you listen closely, or even see it through vents if it's the external cooling fan. If you suspect the fan, it might have debris caught in its blades, or its motor bearings could be failing. If you have access to the fan blades, e.g., through a vent and can safely spin them with a non-conductive stick while it's unplugged, check for resistance or grinding. If the grinding persists even after checking the turntable and you suspect an internal fan, it's often best to call a qualified appliance technician. Lastly, a loose or damaged waveguide cover can sometimes vibrate and create a grinding-like noise. The waveguide cover is a small, usually rectangular or oval-shaped plate inside the microwave cavity, often made of mica or plastic. It protects the waveguide opening from food splatter. Check if it's loose or vibrating. If it is, ensure it's properly seated. If it's damaged, it should be replaced, as it's crucial for the microwave's proper operation and safety. Remember, if the problem isn't a simple fix like debris or a worn coupler, and you suspect issues with the internal fan, magnetron, high-voltage transformer, or capacitor, it's strongly recommended to consult a professional. The high-voltage capacitor can store a deadly charge for a long time even after the unit is unplugged, and improper handling can be fatal. For the simpler issues we covered, you can often save money with a DIY repair. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful appliance repair tips.